Okay, this is GBPJPY, and we are trying to make our market outlook for the week, for the coming week. As you can see here, okay, let's just go straight to the current market price. Price came into this zone, like what is about to happen on the. That's the exact same thing that's about to happen on gold. We are waiting for something like exactly as this price to mitigate a zone like this, and we look for buys. I was able to successfully get buys after more than 50% of this zone have been mitigated. Okay, straight to the point, we have a break of structure here and a change of character here, this area here, then the break of structure here. So automatically the price is bearish. And the second reason why we are looking at sales is because this zone, this demand zone, have been broken by this bearish candlestick body close. It is also a bearish confirmation, and at the same time we have liquidity at this area that have been served by the market. This area is liquidity that have been served by the market. So in this case, we have also have a zone here. We have a zone here. Okay, so after this liquidity sweep here, we are expecting price to probably mitigate the zone. But I'm not here to teach about strategy. I'm here to just give for a weekly to give you this week's forecast. So the possibility for retracement is very high. Maybe price will retrace to this area here. Price might retrace to this area here. I might retrace this area here and sales down to this zone here. Okay, but price might also come down here and buys to this zone here. Okay, because after liquidity sweep, it's not necessary that price mitigates the zone. Price might just use create a 1 minute time frame or a 50-minute time frame change of character. Then we continue there to a 1 minute time frame change of character. Then we come straight to the mitigation of this zone here. But for the meantime, our price, our market direction for GG is not really certain yet, unless price gives criteria for sales here or price mitigates here, and then we look for buys here. But our overall trend right now is bearish. Okay, the main trend is bearish, but based on the current price action here, liquidity sweep, we expect price to probably, to call this a change of character, actually this one must be broken. Okay, so if price comes here, mitigate and give a sales criteria and come here, it means the trend will continue going down and down and down and down and down. Okay, so for now, your main target is to wait. Either wait for this mitigation or this mitigation. You don't do anything in the market right now. Either this is mitigated or this is mitigated. If this is mitigated and broken, then buys are now in control of the market. Then we should go into GU. GU is GU, the structure on GU, the direction on GU automatically is sales. The market is selling. But on the other hand, let me see if we have anything on the weekly time frame. Okay. I think that is it. Our structure is bearish. Okay. On GU, I think we look for sales. I'm coming. Let me see if I can get us a zone. Okay, as you can see, this sales is really breaking demand zone. It's not respecting any demand zone. Okay, so our sales is very strong. It's like very strong. And right now, what we are to look for the week, this week, honestly, we will have to go for sales. We'll still keep looking for sales, but well, we will not focus on correction because we need to work with what the market have. Okay, and what we are seeing in the market currently is sales, very strong sales. But as usual, there are lots of gaps to be filled. This gap needs to be filled. This gap needs to be filled, and then a lot needs to be done in the market. There are lots of orders to be collected. Liquidity here. This is liquidity. Liquidity here. This needs to be swept. Sellers have been in the market for too long, so sellers will need to be taken out at some point. So we are expecting the market to come back up, take these people out, and maybe continue the sales, or probably keep dipping, keep going down, 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 and keep dumping like that. But our overall market direction is sales. But for the counter trend, we can wait for buys. We will look for criteria for buys so that we can look for the sweep of this liquidity at this area. So probably price will come up, sweep liquidity. Price will come up here, sweep this liquidity, and probably continue the sales. Or sweep this liquidity, mitigate this zone, and look for sales. Whichever way, the narrative we are having is we are trying to be flexible with whatever the market has. But we know for sure our overall trend is bearish because the close of this candle over this 4-hour time frame or daily time frame zone is with a body close. As you can see, the close is with body close, and it's a bearish candlestick. Okay, so as usual, like I mentioned, we wait for what the sweep of this, or the mitigation of this zone, or the continuation, either which our overall direction is sales. Unless that is proven otherwise, then I think if for instance price comes up here, closes with a body, and do not come back to take out the nearest low that broke the nearest high, means buyers will be in charge of the market till it mitigates this zone. Okay, so unless that happens, I think you focus on sales. So to be more of patience this week, you don't rush to trade. Allow the markets to play for some time, so you know what the market is up to. But there are lots of correction that needs to be made. So unless there are confirmations made in the market, of which a video will be made on that later, I think you will be updated on whichever direction it is to follow for sure. But for now, our main trend is bearish, but it doesn't mean the market wouldn't want to do this clearly. So we want to get into the trade that will be taking out this liquidity here or mitigating this one here. But there's also the possibility that sales continue. So maybe in the 15-minute time frame, we can get a zone around this area that give us a bearish continuation or something. We can all see that gold is on a bullish trend. So straight to the point, let's come straight to the current market price. The current market price, this is a 4-hour time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame, and this 4-hour time frame have been broken by, I think, the 4-hour time frame body close, which means the zone have been broken. Sellers are not in control of the market. So by saying that now, I think we expect this zone will be our POI, point of interest, where we look for buys in this zone. We look for buys upward, but our target is going to be somewhere around this particular zone here because of the IFC and the engulfing there. So we have inefficiency at this area to be filled. So there's a possibility for short sales to come in from this zone here. So I don't think I have a zone for this, or the extra target for this. I don't think I have a target for the sales unless this zone is being mitigated. So unless this zone is mitigated, I'll provide other areas of target for sales. But if this is broken also, buyers will still be in control of the market. So at this level here, buyers are no longer buyers are in control, sellers fail to take control of the market. So buyers will then target the next other block, which is around this area. Okay, that being said, the whole weak direction is going to be buys unless this zone gives us criteria for sale. So thereby sellers being in control of the market. So and wanting to look out if sales take control of the market is definitely sellers will want to take out this liquidity. There's a very strong liquidity at this area. A very strong liquidity at this area. Market will really need to wipe everything here. Everything here is liquidity. So the market will need to take it out. So you see, we are just trying to build a narrative. There's no is it buy or is it sell or is it this or is it that. Because based on the current market price we have here, this supply zone have been broken. Like I marked, if we will be refining this if we'll be refining the 4-hour time frame zone, the zone is still too big, but let's say we are refining this. This is going to be our refinement. It's still a 4-hour time frame zone, so we expect price to come down into this zone here. Then from this zone we look for buys. But if it happens to be that this zone is broken by a 4-hour time frame candle close, there will still be another video to provide you sales, because the break of this zone means buyers could no longer maintain the control of price direction. So sellers were able to push price lower and take control of the markets. Okay, so I think till weekends or till the market proof otherwise on any or either of the narrative I provided, our direction is buy. So wait for a session to play, whatever a session has. The session might break might break structure here. If you break structure here, price will then, as usual, change of character, mitigation, 1 minute time change of character, boom, you take your buys and target this zone. We've said a lot about that, but our direction for this week is going to be bullish. Still bullish. Market is still bullish. But like I said, don't be fixed on buys. Okay, you should be flexible. The market might come down, look for buys here. Okay, or it might come down, fail, then you look for sales. Now the sales we'll be looking for will be very long sales. Because we are talking about clearing the whole liquidity down. Okay, so good luck for the week, and please subscribe. Tap the subscribe button, like and comment.